There they go. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. Yep, that's Big Zeus in the background, my 2018 lifted Indoraptor. But today, the video is not going to be about Zeus. It's going to be about the 01 Ranger. And seeing as how Big Zeus already has every LED known to man, we're going to jump over here and address some lighting issues on the Ranger. That's right, specifically the tail lights. Now, the headlights have already been upgraded with the Auto One headlights and fog lamps, but we really have to address the tail lights on this thing. So I reached out to a company called Auto One, and that's right, I talked to their customer service. I'm like, look, I got halogen brake lights. I can't stand them. Help me. And they were like, no problem, no problem. What bulbs you need? I'm like, I need all of them. I need the brake light. I need the parking light. I need the reverse lamp. I need it all. And she's like, we got you. We got you. But first, you need to calm down and get off the caffeine. They hooked me up. Super fast shipping, awesome customer service, and you would not believe the price for these things. Look at those stars. First, we'll do the parking lamps. Let you see that. All right, next we're going to push the brakes. You get to see the brake lights. All right, now we're going to put it in reverse and you get to see how bright the reverse lamps are. All right, nothing to write home about, that's for sure. What we got to do is remove the housing. And on the Rangers, you've got two outside Phillips screws we can remove just like this. Then next, you're going to have two Phillips screws right here on the inside. And we'll remove those as well. So now we're going to pull this housing out just like this. And you've got your reverse lamp. And you've got your parking and brake light right here. Parking and brake light, you just turn it to the side. And it pulls out just like that. Carefully, you cannot turn this top one because it hits the housing. So you have to unplug it first. Just like that. Now you can remove the bulb from the housing. So now you don't necessarily need a white cloth glove when installing LED lights because they burn cooler than the halogens. The halogens you want to wear the glove with, and the reason I'm wearing it today is just so if I ever want to reuse these halogen bulbs. So what we want to do is just remove the halogens, wiggle them back and forth and pull them out just like that. On the reverse socket that is loose from the electrical connector, we're going to take the reverse LED, put it in just like that. Pretty straightforward. Now we're not going to connect it back to the connector at this time. Okay, so I want to go ahead and take my brake lamp bulb, put it right there in that. Now we're going to take the housing. Remember, this is still disconnected. You got your housing right here. I want to put the brake and parking lamp in first. Twist it where it's just like that. Now we want to put our reverse lamp in. just like that. Now we connect our electrical connector in there to it, just like that. Put these side screws right back in here. It's really simple, guys. Just do not cross thread anything and do not over tighten. This will pop, this plastic. That's all it is ABS plastic. All right. Get this second one, then we'll move to the two on the inside, and the driver's side will be complete. So now we're going to put these screws back in. That's all there is to it. That's pretty evident that the left is a lot brighter. I mean, it is something else. Same goes for the driver's side reverse lamp. Look at that, how brighter it is than the passenger side. Now you see I've got both rear tail lamps hooked up with LEDs in the backup lighting and the parking and brake. It's awesome. And just like that, another awesome modification video has come to an end. But before y'all check out of here, you better check this video out. If y'all like this one, you're definitely going to like this one. And if you like this one, you really need to head on over and check this one out. I'm just saying. All right, guys, that's going to do it. But hey, links in the description. You better go check Auto One out. Best bulbs on the market. Later now.